Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Philisha Mack, and this channel is all about moving you from idea to income. But today guys, we have a fun video for you, and I'm so excited because I've been bad. I've been very bad, guys, and I kind of got a little crazy, a little Chanel crazy, and I purchased myself a new boo. I call my bags my boos. So I purchased myself a new Chanel bag, and I thought, hey, why not come and unbox for you guys so you can see it. And let me just preface this video by saying this is no way, I'm no way intended to brag or boast or anything. I work very hard, as you guys know, and it's just great to be able to partake in some fruit of your labor, if you will. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing video. I'm super excited, and I want to just share it with you guys, okay? So before I get into the unboxing, let me preface this by saying that I truly believe in the law of attraction. I believe in manifesting things, and this is by far not my first Chanel bag at all. However, it's one that I have been eyeing literally all year, and I'm so proud of myself because I could have got this bag, you know, earlier in the year, but I said no, I wanted to wait to the end of the year, and this is kind of like an end of the year / Christmas treat to myself. So if you guys have like a luxury item on your wish list, I absolutely would recommend that you guys do something similar to this, because it just means a lot more, okay? So even if you have to save up, you know, so that you don't kill your budget, do that as well, and it will just make a big difference. Let's go ahead and let's get to unboxing, shall we? So first of all, I love, one of the things that I love, and when we talk about branding, guys, like, this is just, you know, look at this box. Just look at that. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. You can see the details. Right? So obviously it has this ribbon. Let me see if I can tilt my camera down. Okay. So it has these beautiful ribbons on it, right? And then when you open it, it's like so pretty, I don't want to mess it up. So when you open it, then you just have, of course, the classic Chanel, right? And then it just opens as such, and this is the tissue paper. It says Chanel. So going to open. Oh, that smell, honey. I love it. Oh my goodness. I can see it peeking through. This is how it looks in the box. Has, of course, the dust bag. This is how it looks in the box. Oh my god! I love it so much. Let me just give you guys a box up close of it in the box. I love it so much. So I'm going to take it out. This is how it looks coming out, and you guys can kind of see the proportion. It is super cute. Super cute. Let's see something. And so this is the front, and this is the back. So the back has a nice size pocket, right? The leather is very soft on it. You can see a lot of the detail from the clasp. Also, there is detail here. This has Chanel on it right here. And then it has, of course, the chain. And then it has this beautiful top handle as well that is just gorgeous. The color of this is really like it's beautiful. It's like a coral. It almost looks red, but it's not. You know, it's like a coral. I guess it's kind of like it's like a fuchsia. Yeah. And so then you open it as such, and it opens like this. This is the top, and this of course is the clasp. And you can see the ribbing on it. Okay. And then inside, I think it's pretty spacious. So here is inside the bag. You can see that it does have a lot of room. I like that it has this wallet kind of built into it that you can put your money and everything in as well, which I absolutely love. And then it has 2 slots in the inside right here, which are actually really, really nice as well. And it's just actually just a beautiful bag. I mean, it's just gorgeous, right? That's the side. This is the other side. Of course, that's the back. Super cute. Super, super cute. Yes.